Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the group. 700, 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas. But I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, drink and get the loot. Pull up with that drink, I'm was breaking, I'ma shoot. My weapon be an instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga, place me
You like it, she's right?
I do. People are less fun annoying.
Like, you sit through here. Oh, that's annoying. You see these kids?
Talking to the athlete, mine on so close to the guy and I can steal the stash sheet. 901 Shelby Drive.
Hair. So while I'm in New York City, I'm going to head over to this new Louis Vuitton store. Everybody is talking about it. It's all over TikTok. I want to see it, so we're gonna head there now. But the space is really cute. That's what it looks like. I was able to come here, do her hair, got some content. Christmas tree. This is what the fit is giving. Very, very bummy, but that's okay. I'm all done here. Take one more look. Make sure I don't forget anything. I didn't use any of this stuff. Maybe next time. This is so cute. Yeah, that's mad cute. But there's so much stuff in here, like even this professional lighting. But this was my station. Let's go. Thank you. This is the elevator. So cute in here. And we were on the 10th floor. That guy I was just having a face off with this guy because I didn't know what. Y'all, I'm gonna leave the camera flipped this way till we leave. Then when we hit the streets, I'm gonna flip it around. I am using my iPhone, y'all. On 53rd and 7th right now, and it's on 57th and 7th, so I got a little way to go. Yo, I look so crazy. Why would I come to the city with no lip gloss? A mess. So this is the building that I walked all the way here for.
Hey, woman hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chef Lee, boo, and on back. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it gets. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. She want me to play with that cat. Hey. She love how I make it on wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring the girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave. Hey, Gordo got me on the wave. And got me on the wave. Couple hits, now you brave. What? You niggas better behave. But all that pumping up your chest. All that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
So I came to the mall to do some last minute shopping for the party I'm going to tonight. A rainbow store. They got some cute little faux furs in here. I'm gonna grab a few last minute things for the party. I wish there was a mirror. What y'all think? Nah, I gotta get this.
And I take heads up. And I take heads up. I got some new kid. I got some new swag. I got some new pay. I got some new pay.
What is this?
And I take heads up. And I take heads up. I got some new kid. I got some new swag. I got some new pay. I got some new pay. And I take heads up. Ain't my shit like this.
So I'm at the holiday party that I was leading up to during the vlog, and it's gonna be like a little blotchy, but the more I get into vlogging, I'll be able to give you like consistent footage without so many like chopped. It's like really chopped and screwed. You feel me?
Hit the bitch like the brain side. Hit the bitch with the red dot. Give me that bitch with my D got. And I take heads up. Ain't my shit like this. Kinda got in the basement. Hit the bitch like the brain side. Hit the bitch with the red dot. Give me that bitch with my D got. And I take heads up.
Hey, Jonah, turn me up, bro.
This is peace. Gotta keep a carbon in my ring. And call the Mari out my teeth. Why you putting 40s on the G? I keep spilling coffee on my chin. I don't like it talking, I'm gon' speed. You know I need it, you why would you leave? And keeping it real every day, it ain't easy. Cardigans swell, they come out next season. Deja Ray, would you just stay with me, please? I'm a blessed little woman like she sneezes. And scored a triple-double for my knees. Said I just bought a rover for no reason. I'm a horse arrest, I can't even leave. I'm a doctor, pen and pen, but I ain't plead. The water dripping off me, Uncle Fina. Love my Uncle E, I Uncle Bean it. Love my Auntie Peace, that Auntie Nina. Blowing all this money cause it free. Scamming in Miami by the beach. Telling on your homies that ain't see. Boy, I heard you ready for a cheesecake. This is peace. Gotta keep a carbon in my reach. We can call it Mari out my teeth.